topic Azure VM backup using built-in Azure backup service. This service provides platform as a service. They offer from Microsoft, zero infrastructure, VM backup and restore unlimited data transfer availability cross-region repeated. So here we will make one Azure Virtual Machine and we will tell how to we can take the backup. So this video is the demonstration of that one. Okay, so now we will go for our portal and we will make one Azure Virtual Machine and how to we can take that Azure Virtual Machine to the backup. Okay, so now we will go for our portal. Okay, so now we will reach our portal.azure.com. Then we will go for our resource group. Okay, Azure backup demo. Then we will create one Azure Virtual Machine. Okay, create one virtual machine. Okay, just create. Virtual machine, here type virtual machine. Just click here, then create. Okay, then we select our resource group already coming Azure backup demo also. Then we will put name PM backup, just put one. Then you select available no info, because this is demo purpose we don't put the availability options as standard, and here you will select the Microsoft Azure Edition data center and we will put the selected image. Okay, then we will put here the username, whatever the administration username and password. Just okay, after that select, and then we will go for next disk. We will select no need to, we will put standard HDD because of the cost. We will select standard HDD, and also okay, then we will go to networking. Automatically they will create the network. This video only demo purpose. Okay, then it's okay, finish. Okay, then we will go to management, backup, enable backup. Just here also enable backup, but we need to show how to we can do it. Okay, then we will go to next monitoring. Okay, next advanced, next tag, then review and next review and create. Okay, so it take little bit time, just to wait for the review. They will check the any error is available or no. Validation process. Okay, our validation process is finished and just we will click create. Okay, so after create, it take little bit time. Okay, once our virtual machine will be create completely, we will return back. Okay, I return back now. See, now our virtual machine is already created. We will go to results. Okay, just wait for this one. When okay, see, this is our virtual machine and this public access. Okay, now we need to take our backup for this virtual machine. How to we can take this? So I will go for again my resource group. Okay, Azure backup domain, recovery key vault. See here, I will show you. See here, recovery key vault already I created. Okay, if you need to create no one, no problem. But the issue means I already created here. Then I will show you. Also, I will show you demo purpose how to create recovery key vault. Just click here. Then you just type here recovery. Wait 1 minute. Recovery service vault. Here, recovery service vault. Just click this one. And here you can create. Just click this create button. Then you can select your resource group, Azure backup demo, whatever the resource group is this one. And also very important, the region is very important. Once you select the region, also your activation Azure Virtual Machine also the same region. Okay. So here then click networking and review and create. Okay. Just I will go to again. I will check my what is the virtual machine region. Okay. Just you go here. Then I will go to Azure backup demo. This my virtual machine also in the East use. Okay. So I will go for before creating recovery service. I will just click here my recovery service world before I created. Okay. Then I will check whatever the backup item is there. See here, Azure storage file, Azure no any zero. Okay. So now we will backup our created Azure virtual machine. Okay. Just to go for here. Then where you were workload or workload in now Azure, I will select Azure. Then I will check what virtual machine. Okay. Then click the backup. Here this is the policy and the price setting. Standard and enhanced. Once they backup 5 to the operation tier, right? If you need to, this depends on the price tier. Okay. You can check with enhanced or you can check with the standard. Whatever is service you need to go for that one. Okay. Default service policy and also you can create a new policy. Okay. Then we will go for no version. We will add our virtual machine. Just you click here. You know not coming. It take time because our virtual machine. Okay, just need to refresh. Okay, I will come back. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Just take a look because once you make the virtual machine, not immediately you cannot see the backup. Okay, so it take time. Just I will click again. Just I refresh my page also and just I click again add button. Then you can see our version. See VM backup is there. So select this one. Then click OK. Then validation progress is start. Validation progress is start. Okay. After that, enable backup. Okay, just wait for complete process. It take little bit time. Okay. Then after that, I will come back. Okay, friends, I returned back now. So our deployment succeed. Okay, so we need to go for check the backup is complete. Okay, just we will go for our recovery service vault. Okay, Azure demo service. Okay, so we will check the backup items. Okay, click here this button backup items. See now before is 0, now actual information has been backup it. So click here this one, then click here because this backup is instead you need it immediate backup. Just click here and just click backup and click OK. So it take time to trigger up the backup. Okay, because that we the poll as per the policy we schedule the time, so that time they will backup. But you need it immediate backup, just click the backup button, then it's automatic. So I think you can understand how to actual version to backup. Okay, so this video I will wind up now. Okay, I will if you like my video, just share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much.